Hi, it's Jeff Grace with gracehomes.com at RE/MAX Hallmark here in Toronto, and today I'm in a brand new listing in Leslieville that you're going to want to see. This 4-story townhouse features 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, and 3 decks. It also has a main floor walkout to a home office that is commercial residential zoning, so you can operate a business with signage. The suite's been recently renovated with brand new hardwood floors, all new broadloom, a fresh coat of paint everywhere, beautiful light fixtures, brand new stainless steel appliances. Conveniently located, we're sitting on a 24-hour streetcar line, and we're directly across from Jonathan Ashbridge Park, which features tennis courts, a playground, and the Leslieville Farmers Market every Sunday. I hope you enjoyed the tour. We just sold one of the neighboring townhouses and it didn't last long. So if you're interested in this home, give us a call at 416-699-9295. We'll make sure to get you out to see it right away. Thanks a lot and have a great day.